Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to install this beautiful unit. It is a 13x4 Kinky curly unit from Alipearl. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, keep on watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one. The only one that I adore.
Hi guys, welcome back to my video. The first thing I'm doing is cutting my ear tabs, so I kind of cut around where it should fit my ear, so where the lace doesn't cover my ear, because then that starts to hurt after a while because it's like irritating and annoying your ear. So I'm doing the same on the other side. I'm cutting it as well. Try to suppress my emotions. And this is where I was getting a bit worried. I thought I had cut a lot of the hair off, or I thought I had cut the lace too much to the point where it was gonna be like uneven and I wasn't gonna have enough hair covering like my sideburns. But then luckily once I had like checked it, it was fine. So I was like, oh, we thank God. So now I'm literally just cutting like the sides of my lace so that I can be able to lift it back to spray on the glue that I'm using. So I'm using Ebin spray, and I've honestly been using Ebin spray for like a couple months now. Like that's the only thing I've been using to install my wigs, and I don't know why. I think I'm just being lazy to buy glue because I don't actually have any glue right now, any lace glue, and I've been wanting to buy them, but I've just been like, I can't be able to find any lace glue because the ones I used to use I don't want to use anymore. So that's why I've just been sticking with Ebin spray, and to be fair, it's been doing its job. Like I feel like my installs have been lasting, and I actually like the way it looks. So yeah, it lasts. I feel like with Ebin spray for me, it lasts about a week-ish before I have to like start doing a little bit of touch-ups and stuff. So yeah, so I basically went in with 3 layers of Ebin spray and dried it down. So now I'm just placing my my wig on it. So now I'm just going in and hot combing the unit in sections. So I start with the middle. I started hot combing the sides like how I normally would, because I wasn't sure if I wanted the middle part or side part. I was still, you know, deciding. So now I'm just hot combing like the rest of the hair backwards, and at this moment is when I just realised a side part would look really, really good. Like I feel like I like a side part on curly units, but then I like a middle part. Like it's always so hard to pick whenever I have a curly units in, because I'm like, which one should I do? But so now I'm just cutting my lace as usual, just cutting it. Try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains. So I went in with a bit more Ebin spray on the parts that I had missed, just to kind of make sure everything was like stuck down. Okay guys, so I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna try out spritz. Everyone on TikTok has been saying that this holds like is really good for like melting your lace. So we're gonna test it today and see. I bought a small one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. I didn't want to waste my money. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it doesn't lift my lace because I don't have time for that. So hopefully I'm just gonna, I don't know how it sprays, let me see. I'm just gonna, I don't really, anyways, this is video bit. Oh wait, I don't think there was lying. Wait, no, I don't think there was lying because look, can you see this section? Right, I think I'm gonna put it on my hand because I don't want it to like become too much. Let's just, this wig better not come off, I'm not joking. Okay, so I put it like that. You guys can see it looks like it's like I don't really know what I'm going. Okay, I think it's doing something. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Let's put it on the rest of my hairline. But I feel like you have to like put it on and then like spray it really quickly, or it's just gonna lift your lace. So that's kind of what I've been doing. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looked like in my mirror. I was just showing you guys what it like in like a different lighting, just to show you guys it looks better. Because I always feel like my lights always make my lace look a lot brighter than what it really is. So now I was just wetting the hair just to moisturize the curls. In my spray bottle I only had water and conditioner. Whenever I have curly units, that's what I use to like make it wet, water and conditioner. And then I go in with just mousse. These curls look delicious. Like, oh my god. So I like to do this part in sections because I feel like I get to saturate all the hair really, really well. Because when I just do it in like one go, it just doesn't, like some parts will be like really dry and the curls won't be defined and others would be. So I like to do it in sections just to make sure every part of the hair is defined and is, you know, it's got water and all of that good stuff. So then I was like, I kind of like a mid side part. It was cute. It was cute. I love the texture of this cast. It's like a kinky texture. It's so nice. And I was just like, you know, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the middle as well. So I did quickly, but I was like, you know what? Nah, I'm gonna switch up. I'm gonna do a little style. So yeah, I was just hot combing my hair back because I was gonna like kind of tie it to the back. So that's what I did. I tied it to like back with like a rubber band, and I was just using mousse and like wax to kind of hold it, and then I just decided to use a claw clip to like pin the little ponytail. So cute! This is cute! Hey guys, I'm actually really excited because I actually feel like I like this hairstyle. It looks cute and I never did hairstyles and actually think they're cute. I always hate them. So this is a change. But now I feel like I look like a child. But I need to get out of that. No, we're doing this. This is my force. It's not every day middle part. It's not every day. Hi guys, so this is the final product of the hair and I really like it. I love the curl pattern of it. Like it's like quite a tighter curl pattern, but it's really nice where it like looks more like natural hair, like a pattern of someone's natural hair, not mine, because my hair don't look like this. But you know, somebody's shout. I love like the updo I did. Normally I would be like, no, middle part. it's never day middle part, so I thought I would do this, and I actually like it. So it's something different. I've added mousse, I've added water, I've added conditioner, and it still feels like, and it's still like really bouncy. Like it's not like filled with products and not moving anywhere. The curls are really bouncy and they move, so it's really, really nice. It's a 250 density kinky curly wig from Alipearl, and I'm literally in love with it. And I think it's a really beautiful, especially I haven't done a curly wig in store in a while, so I feel like this is just like and it's short as well, so it's just like cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned for my next video. Bye.